Hello everyone, right now I will teach you how to make shrimp tempura with coconut from Vietnamese side. First, we need shrimp. I remove all the skin and I make like this. When we make the tempura, it's easy. It's very important when we make the shrimp tempura. We have coconut powder and we have flour. And after we have tempura powder, we have coconut juice, pepper, and egg. I have coconut milk. I have bread crumbs and fish sauce. With Vietnamese food, I am going to put fish sauce together because fish sauce it will make the food it have flavor different. We have contacts and I have Ajinomoto and sugar. Right now I will show you how to make the sauce for the shrimp tempura. I put the coconut water. I have tempura powder, a little Ajinomoto, a little sugar, and fish sauce, little bit, and a little coconut powder, little logs, coconut milk. I will mix it first. Okay, I think writing it a little. Right now I will show you how to mix it for the make the tempura. You mix it with eggs. I don't put seasoning anymore because the sauce for tempura I put the season already. So I make this one. And this one also. You see? The oil is hot already. I feeling it come in my hand. And I make the tempura already. I need to mix it a little. My shrimp is near done already. It have a yellow color already.